Hello Explorer, it's Nat from the Traveling Foxes. If you're new to my channel, I love sharing adventures and activities to inspire the wanderlust within you. So in my last video, I showed a quiet side of Copenhagen. If you want to see other sides of Copenhagen that's not too touristy, but still super beautiful. And I started making this vlog because I was told by a few people that Copenhagen is one of the least interesting cities. Whenever I say that, my crest always gives a reaction. But that is why I want to share with you, the things I do when I am here, which I've never really done before. I think I've done like a forest walk, but now we are staying in Copenhagen, which is different from the trips we've done in the last 4 or 5 years. For me, it's almost like I am experiencing Copenhagen from a new set of eyes because I have never stayed in Copenhagen. Right now, what we're doing is we bought like a very special strawberry cake, which is very Danish. We're gonna eat it, and then we are going to do a lot of different touristy things that you can do here in Copenhagen.
Every time you need to cough. He's learning all the tricks of the trade to manipulate you guys.
Yeah.
Alright, so today's activities, we are going to be biking around Copenhagen. This is just a borrowed bike, so I better make sure I test it before we go on the main road. I think the kid's a better biker than me. Alright, we have made it to our first stop. We are going to be getting shawarmas. According to one of my friends, Will, he said that this is the best shawarma he's ever tasted in Copenhagen. So that's what we're going to be doing now. And then we are going to go and eat it somewhere with a nice view. Find parking first for the bike.
Hello.
So this is pretty much the walking street and all the shops are here, and for me I call it the city center. It's where you can do everything, the restaurants, the shopping, but for now it's the shawarma #1 grill house. Chris, guess what happened?
Your butt got scratched.
A bee stung my bum.
Oh, what?
Seriously?
Yeah.
A bee did? Well, that was
Yeah,
a
my
bum?
whole leg was like
A what?
like
That was a bee?
electric. Yeah, it was a bee, and I pulled it out, and then
Or a wasp?
could be a wasp, but and then I felt it, and then I felt the butt. What's it called? The sting
Yeah, the stinger.
was left, so I threw it. So
I thought you were
you can
just-
see here.
I
Have a
thought-
look.
I thought this was just hurting
Oh
you.
yeah, I see it.
Have a look.
You do have a like bite or thing. Yeah.
And there.
I
Up
have.
in my bum, and I'm
Do we
wearing
need to
shorts.
suck out the poison?
We
Ouch.
I have steroid cream we can put on later.
You have it
Yeah.
here.
Not
Oh.
here, not with me, but.
Oh, okay.
at home.
Yeah.
Oh.
Chris,
Hey,
can you get your
looking on the
clothes?
bright side, bigger butt.
Only a fraction of the of the butt.
Here.
So the locals are not allowed in this area?
What do you mean?
That bee sting, I'm actually having a hard time walking. It was so, it felt like an electric current that just went to my leg. Oh, haven't been stung in a long time. Now I remember what it feels like. Anyway, so now, since we got our kebabs, we are looking for a cozy spot to just enjoy the view and maybe stay away from the sun a bit, because it is actually a hot day here in Copenhagen. So yeah, this place is actually really nice, guys. And apparently just across us is the most expensive condominiums in Copenhagen. I think I'm beef.
Are you 2 chickens?
Yeah. I got 2 chicken, no chips.
Beef for me and Nat.
What does it say?
No. Do you guys want this like this?
Yeah, that will be our table. It's actually really tight the way they wrap it. So you haven't tried this before?
No.
Right now we are going to the cafe nearby. Are you okay? Because I heard it's really, really nice. And that's the thing about Copenhagen, guys. Everything is so picturesque, everything is so nice. Oh yes, it is beautiful. Look at this.
What is the Spanish latte? What's in
I think there's condensed milk.
Condensed milk makes it like quite
Like
sweet.
strong coffee with condensed milk. It's popular all over Asia. So very, yeah, it's sweet with a hint of bitterness. All right, so that's one thing I noticed about a lot of Europe. In Asia, you have a lot of the sweeter drinks. Like I always order a Spanish latte or a mocha, and a lot of cafes, even like this, it's super beautiful. They only have the lattes and the traditional drinks. But he was more than happy to make me a mocha. I just said add chocolate to a latte. So let's see what it tastes like. Is it only me with the coffee?
Yeah. Sorry?
Is it only me with coffee?
Yeah, I didn't get one.
Oh, I thought we could take this to the...
Well,
Yeah.
I think that was the intention.
That was the idea, and that's what we
That's
said.
okay.
But I think they misunderstood. So we said
we
we'll
said-
just go out and we'll bring it back when we're done.
Okay.
Because it's in the car park, you can also walk up to here, and then you can just walk through a tunnel
Oh, nice.
to the entrance. You don't have to go outside into the cold and wet when it's like
For the barista's first time to make a mocha, it's actually not bad. Quite impressed. Yeah. It tastes like kokyo with coffee. No? He probably did that. So if you guys have a hard time finding this particular cafe, you just have to search the Opera House because it's literally just beside it. So the opera is only open in certain seasons, and I don't think it's open now.